here's the most accurate forecast for the hurricane. So Homestead, so this is for Saturday the 9th at 9 p.m. Homestead 72 miles per hour. The coast's at 90. The Keys down here, all these islands are basically around 100, 99, 98, 75, 69 up on these coasts, 54 over on this coast. Kendall 74, Miami is at 80, 89 out on the outer edges of the island. Miami Beach is at 77. Pembroke Pines is at 60, 66. 85 way out here on the Keys. This is at 9 p.m. on Saturday. We're going to go ahead and advance it. So this is Sunday at 12 a.m. Homestead is at 80. The Keys are now at 125 miles, 130. So this is Sunday at 12 a.m., 130 mile per hour. Kendall at 79. Miami's at 80. Pembroke at 63. Miami Beach is at 80. All along the coast, it's about at 80, 90 miles per hour. 110, 112, approaching towards the bottom. Let's move the time up a little bit. This is at 6 a.m. on Sunday. Homestead is basically in the eye. It's only got 33 miles per hour. Out around this ring, it's 93. Miami is coming in at around 113, 115, 117. As you get out on the islands, Miami Beach, 124, 125, 127, 115. Pembroke Pines at 105. Over here on the other coast, 80 mile per hour, 80, 90, 90, 100. 90s now down on Key West. Let's move up to the next time slot. (12 p.m. on Sunday). So it's now advanced. Miami, you're at 85. Miami Beach is at 89. Pembroke Pines is at 82. 69. Bonita Springs is at 78. Cape Coral, I can't see it, it's around 80. 47. 70. Boca Raton is at 95. The entire coast is around 90 to 100 up and down the whole coast. Boynton Beach is at 98, 100 going up the coast. West Palm Beach is at 100. It's 99 to 100, pretty much up and down the whole coast. Wellington is at 72. So this is at 12 p.m. Sunday. (6 p.m. Sunday). The hurricane continues to advance. Wellington is now at 43. Palm Beach is at 58. Jupiter is at 58. Port St. Lucie is at 65. The coasts are around 60 miles per hour. 57, 56, 58. Coral Springs is at 42. Fort Lauderdale, I can't see it, but it's probably around 42. Lehigh Acres is at 56. It's 48 miles per hour around the hurricane. The eye is about at 27. This outer part is at 49. Fort Pierce at 78. This whole coastal region is around 80 miles per hour. Out here in sea, it's about at 85, 86. Palm Bay is at 69. These coastals are at 70, 75, 78, 79, 80. Fort Pierce at 77. Winter Haven is at 60. Lakeland is at 55. Plant City is the same. It's at 55. We'll move the camp. So this is at 9 p.m. Sunday, the 10th. Palm Bay is at 60. Poinciana is at 42. Winter Haven is at 49. Lakeland is at 53. Kissimmee is at 40. Myrtle Island is at 68. The coasts are around 86 miles per hour, dropping down to 64 around Palm Bay. Titusville is at 45, 46. The coasts are at 66, 70, 80 out here on Myrtle Island, 95 maybe out on this very, very point out here. Claremont's at 50, Wintergreen is at 53. Spring Hill is 53, West Chapel is 48, Plant City is 52, Tampa it's 56. All these places on the west coast of Florida don't really have too many worries. Wesley Chapel at 48, Titusville at 44, Deltona at 46, Alamonte Springs at 53. Let's move up to the next time. So this is at 12 a.m. on Monday, the 11th. It's pretty much in Orlando right now. It's 23 in Orlando. Wintergreen, it's 27. Claremont, it's 37. Puka, it's 16. Merritt Island, it's 50. Palm Bay, it's at 45. It's 70 out on this very outer coast. It's pretty much 50, 60s up and down this coast. 40s in Titusville. 50s all around here. Claremont, 37. Villages, 45. DeLand, 30. Daytona Beach, 50. The coasts all up and down here, still like 50, 60s. Move to the next time. So this is 6 a.m. on Monday, the 11th. Orlando's at 30. Merritt Island's at 30. 40s out here. 30s up and down this coast. Daytona's at 30s. Gainville is at 36. Palm Coast is at 30. Lakeside is at 9. Jacksonville is at 12. Storm is kind of ending at this point. 43 at Point Verde. Jacksonville is 5. It's 24, 30 along this coast. There's some 70-mile-an-hour winds around here. 60, 70, 70. Let's move it up a little. So it's out of Florida. Still like 50, 60, 70-mile-an-hour winds out on the coast out here. In the land, there's not a whole lot going on. It's all 20, 30. Things kind of dying down. It's 30 in Jacksonville. It's 50s. Let's advance it a little bit further. So this is 12 p.m. Monday the 4th. It's 50-mile-an-hour winds up and down the coasts. It's 19s, 20s. Hinesville is 20 mile an hour. Savannah's at 40. Coasts are 60 of Savannah, some 70s. Even out in the water, it's like 70. Hilton Head Island is 50 miles, 50s, 60s out here on the coast. 50s. Stratusboro's at 38. Basically surrounding 30, 40s. I mean, all these coasts are at 60, 70. Nothing super major. On to the next time. Okay, this is 6 p.m. Monday. So it's moved further north. Hilton Head is now at 30 miles per hour, 36. Savannah's at 23, 31 in Statesboro. These coasts are at 33, 40, 42 on these different coasts. Pretty much once it gets out of Florida, it's kind of beyond the danger zone. Charleston is at 35. The coasts along Charleston are at 40, 38, 40, 50 out on the waters. Columbia is 30. Athens is at 27. The conclusion is pretty much in Florida. If you're down in Miami, you might want to leave. Probably not. It's not that dangerous. This thing is majorly overrated. But this is also several days out. Things can still change. Still want to take precautions. But this doesn't look like it's going to be the disaster that people are wanting it to be. By Thursday, there's no strike. The 11th, as far as all you 9/11ers, appears that it's still in Florida. And this other hurricane right here, it just seems like it's not really happening. It's like 60, 70. It's out at sea. It's got these outerly winds. This one probably won't even hit the coast.